Hi guys, welcome to the video. My name is Pushpinder Gill. Now the question is saying that there's a rainstorm which increased the amount of water from 124 billion to 138 billion gallons. So there was actually a rainstorm. So rain came and there was some water here that was 124. Let's forget the billion part. So 124 billion to 138 billion. So right now it has 138 billion gallons of water. Now this question is saying that the storm increased the amount of water of reservoirs to 82% of the total capacity. That means this is something which is 82% of the total capacity, right? So that's what the question is telling us. Now let's see what the question is asking us. The question is asking us using the word approximately. When the question uses the word approximately, it's my ticket to approximate things without any fear. Now over here it says how many billion gallons of water were the reservoirs short of total capacity prior to the storm. So he just wants how many gallons were short before that. So for that I would have to find the total capacity. So 82%. So if you just convert this into your mathematical language, 82%, person means division, of means multiplication. 82% of the total capacity is actually equivalent to 138 billion, right? So what is your total capacity? So your total capacity would be 138 into 100 divided by 82, right? Let's keep the billion here. So if I divide 138 by 82, if I want to get that, so that would be roughly, so if you are not allowed a calculator in the GMAT, so it's a 4, right? 2 times 4 and 2 times 1 and 2 times 6 and 2 times 9, right? 41 by 69. So what I can do here, I can make this 42. Guys, I'm approximating here, using the word approximately. So that thing I can do. So now it goes on 3. So 3 times 2 and 3 times 3 and 3 times 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 times 4, right? So this is roughly about 1.6, right? So this is roughly about 1.6, or let's say 1.68. So that would be 168 billion gallons. This is what the total capacity is. Now understand, you can expect these questions in the first 10 questions in the GMAT, because some questions they're just difficult based on calculation rather than being difficult based on the concept. Now what was it short for? So 168 billions is my total capacity. It was 124. So the capacity it was short by is the total capacity 168 billion minus the capacity it was, right? So if I subtract this, this is 4, this is 4, and this is 0. So this is 44 billion. Now the question again, it's asking me the approximate amount. Well, I got the accurate amount, which is the answer option E. You might get 47, 48, 42, 43, but still the answer would be 44, because the question is using the word approximately. Whenever the question uses the word approximately, just be easy to guesstimate things here, right? So that's what just be easy to guess things here. So don't forget to send me feedback on this video or any other video on perfectscores89@gmail.com. Don't forget to like us as facebook.com/perfectscores, and explore more about us at perfect-scores.com. So this was about the video, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.